in the legislative meeting. And right now, the breaking development that we are actually tracking at this point of time is that Atishi has become the new Chief Minister of Delhi. They're, ending the speculation with all those names. One of the possible and the most potential front runners in the list ever since the announcement was made by Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. This, in fact, comes as a big development here at NewsX viewers. Now, Atishi has become now the new Chief Minister of Delhi. Joining me right now to share more details is my colleague Brian. Brian, now a big development has been made and Atishi has been now decided as the new Chief Minister of Delhi. Share more details.
Big, breaking, definitely, very big development that is taking place at the CM Awas. Let me show you the visuals, Simran. This is the very visuals in front of me where, Arvind Kejriwal has proposed Atishi's name, even the Delhi legislative so all the Aam Aadmi Party leaders, the MLAs were there. And in this very Baithak, in this very meeting, Arvind Kejriwal has proposed the name of Atishi. This becomes very important because there was a lot of contenders and Arvind Kejriwal put forward the name in the legislative party meeting that was happening, and now there is another important Baithak that's going to where, the Aam Aadmi Party leaders are going to address also in front of the CM Awas that we are showing you here. But again, the very big breaking now, yes, the Aam Aadmi Party, the Delhi has a new CM, which is Atishi, because Arvind Kejriwal has given the name of Atishi. So this becomes a very big development here, a very big breaking news that we are letting you know again. And just in a while, again, the Baithak is going to finish, has been finished rather. And now, they will address the media, the people also of Delhi and the people of country outside the CM Awas. There's a dice has been set. There is a stage also that has been set here. So definitely, this is a big breaking that we are going to do. We are trying to come up close and show you the, the very arrangement also that is done in front of the CM Awas. So this is the very situation. This is the very place where the Aam Aadmi Party leaders will be coming in a while and now will be making a public announcement of the
Brian, if you can hear me right now, what is exactly the situation at the ground outside the residence of Kejriwal? Because a new name finally has been announced, and after it was being much speculated, share what is exactly being now viewed there at the ground while you were coming live from outside the residence of Arvind Kejriwal.
Yeah. Well, definitely, Simran, let me show you the visuals also here. This is the stage has been set. This is the very stage has been set here. And just in a while, the Aam Aadmi Party leaders will come and address the media, the people here. This is the very up close, visuals that we are going to show you. That just in a while, they will be coming out and they will be making a public announcement of the fact that Arvind Kejriwal, the Aam Aadmi Party, with the Delhi Legislative Assembly, the meeting that happened, and then they finalize the next CM also, the interim CM that Atishi will take over the CM's place. Now, the Arvind Kejriwal in the meeting also proposed Atishi's name, and yes, it has been finalized to the fact that Atishi will be the next CM for a while now. And now here, just in a while, this is major chaos also that is happening at the CM residence also. And in a while, we're just waiting for the Aam Aadmi Party leaders to come out now. The meeting has been done. We're just waiting for them to come out and show you and actually give you a perspective of the fact that when these people will be coming out and they will be, talking.
Right, all right, Brian, as we can see, already arrangements are being made outside the residence of Arvind Kejriwal where, the arrangements to actually address the media is now underway, and now Kejriwal's close confidant and a person who has actually held the ground while Kejriwal was lodged in jail is going to be the new Chief Minister of Delhi. Atishi is in fact going to replace Kejriwal, who has of course been now the biggest women faces in the Aam Aadmi Party. And as of now, all the AAP MLAs have elected Atishi as the Chief Minister. And now, in fact, this is going to be a very significant